Get ready to feel the burn. Hey, how's she got in that Jonple studio? I'll tell you what, this radical workout is going to give you the results you want. If you want to lose weight, if you want to work on your cardio, if you want to work on those abs, if you want to be like me, then you just need to do this. I promise you, following these instructions, you're going to get the results you want, most definitely. This step is really useful. Wow! Right, left. Work it, ladies. Stay with me now. Great work. Let's do this, girls. Keep it going, ladies. Nice and strong with those arms. Perfect. You all look amazing. Great work. This was excellent during the 80s, but these days there are much more effective ways to gain fit. Jonple recommends the high intensity step, which can help you get fitter and slimmer faster. Switch step ups. All you need to do is stay on the balls of your feet, drive through those arms and go as fast as you can. Or you can also do a reverse lunge with a jump. Lunge backwards and drive that knee nice and high with a jump. And that's all you've got to do. No fads, no messing, just you. Get fit this summer with Jonple.